Hi everyone, welcome back. Now we are going to use the work we just did in the preceding video when we found the GCD of 69 and 89 to now find the multiplicative inverse of 69 mod 89. And what we're going to do is just work the Euclidean algorithm basically backwards by solving for all the remainders, right? So our last remainder was 1. Before that was 2, before that was 9, and before that was 20. So we can solve for 1 as 9 minus 2 times 4. Leaving everything factored. You know, this is not, we don't want to have 9 minus 8. We want 9 minus 2 times 4. We want 2 equals 20 minus 9 times 2, right? And here I have all the remainders solved for. I'm going to start with 1. And we have 1, right, is equal to 9 minus 2 times 4. And then we can go down and have everything equal to 1. So basically, we want to find 69 times some numbers. 69 times x is equal to 1 mod 89. And get everything in terms of 69 and 89. Because anything times 89 in mod 89 is going to be 0. So if you're a little lost, stick with me in this video and hopefully by the end it'll make a lot of sense. So we know that 1, right? 1 is 9 minus 2 times 4. It's 9 minus 8, that's 1. Okay. But now we can solve for 2. And we know that 2 is 20 minus 9 times 2. So we can have this is equal to 9 minus, well, 2 is 20 minus 9 times 2. Okay, and keep careful with all your parentheses. So this whole thing is just 2, but then we have a times 4 out here. Okay, and you can always, at every step, you can always check and make sure that whatever you have is going to be equal to 1. Because everything down the line here will be equal to 1. So here we got 20 minus 9 times 2. That's 20 minus 18, which is 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. Beautiful. Okay, now we can clean this up, distribute that 4, and say, well, this is 9 minus what? We have that 4 times 20, so we have 4 20s. 4 20s in here. And then we have 4 times 2, we have 8 9s. Now we could have this as, right, we could also have 36 2s, right? 9 times 4, 36 times 2. But we already solved for 2, and we want to get everything in terms of 69 and 89. And our next remainder that we're going to eliminate, basically, is going to be 9. So we want to get this now in terms of 9. So we want 4 times 2, which is 8. So we have 8 9s. But there's a minus sign there, so it's minus 8 9s. Okay. And this is all subtracted, right? That's 4 times 2, 4 times 20, which is 80, minus 8 times 9. So it's 80 minus 72, 8, 9 minus 8. We're still at 1. Okay, so now we can clean this up. We're going to eliminate 9 next. So you want to group all our 9s together. Well, how many 9s do we have? We have minus a minus 8 9s. So that's minus a minus 8 is plus 8 9s. But there's 1 9 out here. So that's 1 9 plus 8 9s. So it's 9 9s. So we have 9 9s. And then we still have the minus sign, right? Minus 4 20s. All right, and that's 81 minus 80. We're still at 1. Okay, and then we want to eliminate our next remainder is going to be 9. So we have, this is how many 9s we have. Even though there's 2 9s here, we only want to basically solve for the 1 9. Because this is how many 9s. So you don't want to solve for both 9s. Just the 1 9, and say we have 9 times, Well, 9 is 69, right? 9 is 69 minus 20 times 3. Okay, so this is 69 minus 20 times 3. All right, and that whole thing right there is just 9. It's 9 times 9, right? 20 times 3 is 60. 69 minus 60 is 9. That's 9 times 9. And then we still have the minus 4 20s out here. All right. Now, our next remainder is going to be 20, right? Our last remainder is going to be 20. So we want to now group all our 20s together. Well, how many 20s do we have? Here we have 9 69s, and then we have 9 times 3, which is 27. So we have 27, but there's a minus sign there, so it's minus 27 20s. So we have 9 69s. Let's just put our 69s. Whoops, not 96. It's actually, beep, beep. We have 9 69s. This is all equal to 1. 9 69s. Okay, and then we have how many 20s? We have minus 27, 9 times 3, 27, but it's a minus sign, so it's minus 27 20s, and then minus 4 20s. So we have minus 27 minus 4, minus 31. So we have minus, this is equal to, we still have 9 69s, and then minus 31 20s. Okay, and then our last step would be, well, to solve for 20. Our last remainder is 20, and what is 20? 20 is 89 minus 69. And that will put everything in terms of 69 and 89, which is what we want. So we have 9 69s, 9 69s, minus 31 times 20. But what is 20? 20 is 89 minus 69. All right, so we got, so this is equal to, how many 69s do we have? We have 9 69s here. And then we have minus 31 89s. And then minus 31 times a minus is going to be plus 31 69s. So we have how many? Well, it's 9 69s and 31 69s. So that's equal to 40 times 69. And then we have minus 31 times 89. But what is that? In mod 89, anything times 89 is going to be 0. So this term is gone, and we're just left with 40 times 69 is equal to what? It's equal to 1. This whole thing is equal to 1. We wanted to find 69 times what is equal to 1 in mod 89. Just found 69 times 40 is equal to 1. So 69 inverse mod 89 is equal to 40. What does that mean? That means that 40 times 69, which is, what is 40 times 69? 40 times 69 is 2,760, right? 40 times 69 equals 2,760. But what is that in mod 89? Well, 31 times 89 is 2,759. But that is 0 in mod 89. So plus 1. So the remainder is 1. And the remainder is what you equal. So the remainder is 1. And 1 is the same exact thing as 2,760 in mod 89. All right. Well, I'm running out of time here, so I'll see you guys soon.